Hi guys, I'm Rehana. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this beautiful holder candle. This is so nice and you can make it in different color. As you can see, I make this part and this part for design. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful holder candle. For this tutorial you need this kind of candle, and the hook, the size of the hook is 1.75, and the yarn and scissor. So let's go to see how to crochet this beautiful holder candle. For the first round, you must going to make magic ring like this. Put the hook under this part and above this part, then yarn over and make one chain. Now you have magic ring. This part is the magic ring. You can change the size of this ring, and then you need to chain 1 and 2, and then you need 12 double crochet into this magic ring. So now I have 2 double crochet, but I need 12 double crochet. So again I repeat it slowly, and you can see how I crochet this double crochet into this magic ring. You can change the size of this ring, so you must make 12 of these double crochet into this magic ring. Now I have 12 of this double crochet into this magic ring, and then I put the hook in the first double crochet in first stitch and make just 1 slip stitch. Then again I make 2 chain, and in each stitch we need 2 double crochet, so we must increase double crochet. So this is 1, and again 1 double crochet into the same stitch, so this is 2. As you can see, in the next stitch we need again 2 double crochet together, so this is 1 and this is 2. So you must continue as this shape until again you arrive here, and in the end you have 24 double crochet. Okay, now I complete this run, and again I put the hook into the first stitch exactly here and make just 1 slip stitch. Then for the next round I'm going to make 2 chain, and then in each stitch we need just 1 double crochet. So this is 1, this is 2 double crochet, and this is 3 double crochet. And then in the next stitch we need 2 double crochet together, so this is 1 and this is 2 double crochet together in the same stitch. So as you can see, we have 3 double crochet in each stitch and 2 double crochet in one stitch. So again 1, 2, and 3 double crochet in each stitch, and then 2 double crochet together like this in one stitch. So as you can see, I have this shape and I must continue as this until I arrive here. Okay, I completed this round, and again I put the hook in the first chain exactly here and make a slip stitch. Then we need again 2 chain, and here we must make double crochet in the front loop exactly here. So in each part we need just 1 double crochet, so we have 2 loop here, but we need this loop to make double crochet. So you must continue as this until again you arrive in the end part of this round, and in the end you have 30 of these double crochet. When you arrive in the end of this part, again make slip stitch in the first stitch and then make one chain, and in each stitch you need just one single crochet. So in each stitch I'm going to make just one single crochet until again I arrive here in the end of this part, and in the end I have 30 of this single crochet. Okay, now I finish this round, and again I make a slip stitch in the first stitch and then make just one chain, and then cut the yarn and use the needle to hide the extra yarn. So now you have this part of this holder candle, and if you put this candle here, you can see this is good for this. Okay, and now for the next part, exactly here in this design, I'm going to make this part. So I put the hook into this back loop exactly here, as you can see here. Put this hook here and then make 3 chain. So this is 1, 2 and 3, and then go to the third chain, third stitch, 1, 2 and 3 exactly here, and make just one double crochet here, and then make 8 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then in the same hole exactly here, make another double crochet. So again I make double crochet here. Don't worry about this shape. Again make 1, 2 and 3 chain and go to the third stitch. This is 1, 2 and 3 exactly here. Go to the third stitch and make single crochet here. Okay, make single crochet here. Again make 3 chains and then go to the third chain and make double crochet here, and again 8 chains, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and in the same hole we need another double crochet. So now I have this shape, and again make 3 chains and go to the third stitch and make just one single crochet. So as you can see, we must have this shape in here. We need single crochet, 3 chains. In the third stitch we need double crochet, 8 chains, double crochet in the same hole, again 3 chains and single crochet here. So we must continue this shape until again we arrive here. Okay, now I complete this round, and as you can see I have 5 of this shape here. Okay, then for the next round, this is the last round, you must make into this big hole, make 8 double crochet. So this is 1, 2, they are double crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and then we need 3 chains and again 8 double crochet into this big hole. So this is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, when you complete this part, between these two small hole here exactly, make just one single crochet. Again, into this big hole here, make 8 double crochet like before. So I complete this, okay, and then when you make 8 double crochet, make 3 chains, and again make another 8 double crochet here into this big hole. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then again put the hook here and make just one single crochet. So you must continue this shape. Okay, now I complete this part, and again I make slip stitch here, make 1 chain, and then cut the yarn and use a needle to hide the extra yarn. So this is finished, and you can put candle here into this part. Like this. So this is finished. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.